Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your controllers from your Nintendo Switch. Maybe you're having an issue with them and this could fix it. So what we want to do is go to System Setting right here. Scroll on down to where it says Controllers and Sensors. Scroll on down on here. Make sure you go to Update Controllers too and update your controller. Maybe there's a software in here that will fix whatever issue you're having. Or maybe you just want to disconnect it. But if you're having stick drift, go to calibrate control sticks and then recalibrate them, and this should reset the center and eliminate the stick drift. But let's go to disconnect controllers right here. Remove the console from the dock to proceed. Then you'll have to disconnect them from when it's undocked. So all we have to do is remove it. So I'm going to remove it right now, just like this. Now you really can't see it, but we can go to disconnect controllers. Controllers will be disconnected from the console and pairing will be cleared. Please attach the Joy-Con controllers to the console and hold X. So you have to connect them and then hold X. All controllers have been disconnected. You can now use the only Joy-Con controllers that are attached to the console, okay? So as soon as I unattach them here, so everything else has been disconnected. So hopefully this little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. More technical videos coming up next on YourSixTech.